I'm Michael, fishing guide for Great River, and here we're out fishing at Lady Franklin for sturgeon, big white sturgeon. This is our first drop. We've been here about 5 minutes, and hopefully we'll get one on. Hey.
Nice.
My son, what's the first thing he does?
Okay, so we're going to lay these out there just like that.
Oh, yeah! Mike's okay if I stand here?
Are we snagged up or is that a fish? Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Good.
Nice! Oh! Holy sh! Dude, I got it!
You got a good one on there.
Oh my gosh!
You got a good one on there. You better, yep. This is nothing. Okay, we gotta keep him. You've got rod out. You're doing right. Hopefully he'll swim away. He's gonna go for my anchor. I gotta get that. Here. I got it. You take. Okay. Good.
And we are on.
Oh, yes, we are. Oh, this is crazy.
Okay, keep it tight, Yep, awesome, you got it. Hold the rod higher.
Oh, baby. That's a fish.
So you'll see in the video that, or you
Mike
won't.
blew it.
Yeah, the hook popped out and shaking us over to them rapids right there, and our guide Mike did a fantastic job in the water there. I can't imagine trying to deal with that. And yeah, it popped out.
Even real.
Yeah, it popped out. So we're setting up in a slightly different spot now. Mike says he can do better than that, so that's phenomenal.
Yep.
So yeah, we're gonna get back to fishing here right away. Anything to say, boys?
Oh.
Like, describe it.
Oh.
Mike, you set the hook.
I can't even describe it. That's just, you can't. It's an immovable object almost. Is how it feels, right?
Yeah.
It's like trying to fight a boat going the opposite direction from your hook.
Once you feel the weight of it,
It's incredible.
Sturgeon fishing is like hooking a horse in the ass with a triple hook.
You heard it from our guy.
Yay!
Yeah.
Perfect analogy.
It's back to the hole where we caught the first one. We're thinking about leaving, and the pike minnow rod started moving towards the boat, so kind of gave Mikey a heads up, and Mikey went in and reeled her in, and now we're on again. Need a switch yet, Mike?
Okay, get ready. Right, big it. Got it? Yep. He makes you leaving.
And what do you say? 9 minutes out of 10, we're gonna get one. That's where he wants to go, so he can shag it.
Oh, yes.
Hey, what?
You don't think so?
What's that?
As big as the other one.
Oh, yeah. We want to keep him in this pool.
Trying.
Yeah, I said.
Or even pull him back in. He's going. He's going, yeah. He's going for the channel there.
Long be so bruised on the belly.
Oh, man. Oh, watch out, it's right
Reel
here,
it,
right here.
reel it.
Reel. It's right under the boat. Under the boat? Yeah,
I got it.
To the side of the boat.
He's on his belly.
Yep.
Michael, why don't you tail it? Oh, he's gonna go in. Wow.
Yep. Wow.
Wow.
Michael, pick that up and try to hold it.
There, now keep his head down a little bit, right like that, and tail up a little higher. There you go, beautiful.
Look this way, boys. Very cool, guys. Smile.
Oh yeah.
How was that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was just, he realized he was hooked and that was it.
Fish number?
3.
There we go.
4 actually if you count the little one.
Tell it to jump for the camera.
Yeah. Oh, he's coming.
We're dropping back as well.
Oh, are we?
Yeah, you're catching up to him now.
Right.
For now, he's happy to be where he is.
Almost.
One around your legs like a hanging harness would be nice with a cup.
Over here, Mikey. Coming around. We're almost on him. Line's right behind. Okay, you're good. Taking the dog for a walk.
Just reel that in.
Yeah, we're not bringing him in yet.
No, I know that. I realize that, Mike.
Yeah, we're good right now. Keep going. Oh, beauty. Beauty. I gotta go in here too.
Oh my baby. She is something. That's a nice fish.
So this one here came out of the lake.
Oh yeah?
I can tell by the color of it. It came out of Harrison Lake.
Want me to open the veil?
No, I'm just take the weight off so I don't get hit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Woo!
That's a beauty. That's a beauty. Oh. Yeah, Taylor. Here.
cell phone down. Everybody, my cell phone is on this rock.
Yes,
Okay?
we know. Okay, GoPro's still going. You're gonna tail her? Be careful, please. Don't step on the anchor.
Holy, I can't even put my hand around the tail.
I told you. I tried that on the last one, and I couldn't do it. Okay, she's in a perfect position, so this is where the pictures happen.
Okay, so hang on. Okay, so I got video going, so Julius, get in there. Put the
GoPro down?
Oh, no. You know what? I'm going to go. Yep. Thank you.
Look at the tail.
Yeah, I know.
Mike, we're good for time here, right? Like taking our time. Okay.
Look at the. I know.
Lots of time, guys. Lots of
no rush.
lots of time, you guys.
Fish is not
Look at the
damaged in
size
any
of
way.
this.
Okay, look at this way. Turn to me. You gotta turn this way and lift her up.
I can't lift her too much.
No.
Okay.
Right there.
Like she's got to
Okay.
be 200
Look.
pounds.
Oh,
Look
yeah,
up.
Easy.
Look up.
It is, absolutely.
Yes. Hold on. There. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, 101, 102.
How many feet is that?
96 is 8 feet.
Sweet. Look at this.
This is a over 8 foot long sturgeon from the Fraser River, just outside of Hope here, up towards the. Oh, she's a beauty. My reach is about 6'6".
That fish is probably 75 to 85 years old.
Look at that.
So go figure that.
My reach is 6'6".
Mike, grab the tail. Oh, grab the tail. She's gonna need some. Okay, here I'll go. You just. Hold on. Mike, she good to go? No. Okay, give her. Let it go.
Still in the bucket.
Yes, it's on this one. Why, is that cool?
Yeah, but it should have been cut it now.
Okay, you want me to release it?
No, it's on this fish.
Oh, it's on.
Still in the hole.
Yeah.
How's this one feeling, Mike? It's a big one. Just wants to be down home.
Oh, yeah. He just wants to stay right where she got caught. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna come over this way, eh? How fast she's going. She can't be that far off the surface now.
No, not really.
Real. Michael, take the rod.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, Jesus, it drop off here.
Oh my God, yeah. Okay.
It's gonna be tough, you guys. Get it into just this.
Right.
I don't want her out that much, but.
Okay, video's on already.
You know what's good off the same thing?
Yeah, sure. Ready good?
Yep. Okay.
Ready? You right up?
Okay.
Six and a half feet. The release.
Let's go. That is so cool. That is so cool.
All right.
Excellent. What a fish.
I mean, this is after 10 minutes.
Oh, more.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
One of these days we're gonna have to start a watch once we actually start bringing them in, eh?
I know.
I almost was going to walk into my
Barely
walking closet and grab my 303 and blow both of the brains out. But I grabbed it and I went,
What's
you know what? Piece of shit, you know what? I put them back down. Otherwise, my friends are like, but nothing like that. You both got into it. You both. That's what we're going to play. Good? Oh, yeah. Let's see.
Ooh.
Okay, you can start heading to the beach. Right there, eh?
Yeah, she's there. Yeah. Yeah, like the last one.
Yeah, 6.5, 7 feet. Careful. Yep. Okay. Go to the shallow part up by the rock.
Just let him drive, Dad.
Yeah.
Nice. What, a 5-footer? Okay, this wasp is gonna die.
Right on, let's see.
You the rod, Mike? Got it. Dad?
Yep.
Got it.
Get a picture of that if you like. Look, he's got no hook marks in his mouth. He's very fresh.
Oh.
Me in there. Ah, buddy, it's okay. It's okay. No worries. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Nice one,
Get
eh?
some water? Get some water or what?
So in this spot here, we caught, the first fish was a 6'6", so 78 inches. Then we caught a couple of 40 something or others, probably 4 feet. One of which got off on the jump, the other one we let go beside the boat. This fourth fish I believe we caught at this spot now was 80 inches, so 6'8". And we're going to go back to the spot. I think within 5 minutes on each of these spots we've managed to get a fish at least hitting, if not on. So we'll see if we can do that again.
Okay, Mike, make a jump now.
This kind of current is really, you know.
Oh, I know. Make,
On a pike
no,
now?
that was a chunk. He's going back, Mikey, so get ready to reel. You know what? I don't know if you should put that one there, Julius. You should get it up top. Hang on, I'll help you. Taking us in, Mike? Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay, we got it. Okay, hold on. Oh, you're good. Okay, we can. Whoa! Oh my God! Get your.
You okay?
Are you okay?
What happened?
He got it right in the face.
You okay?
Yeah.
You got tail.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
He smoked him.
I think I lost my sunglasses.
I'm kind of wishing I got that on video because I was
Oh.
on it the whole time. Sorry, Mike.
I think I lost my sunglasses.
whoa! We can, whoa! We can, whoa! We can, whoa!